Hello, dear learners, you're welcome in Tuitify Academy. Today, in this video we are going to have a conversation on the topic of making telephone calls in city. But firstly, I keep you remind that, not forget to click on subscribe button, so that you can get all our videos and enhance your skills. Let's start the conversation.
Can I talk to Mark?
Hang on, okay? Let me see if he's here. Sorry, he's not available right now.
Do you have any idea where he is?
Sorry, I don't know.
Do you know when he will be back?
He should be back in 30 minutes.
Can I leave a message?
Of course. Hold on for just a second so I can grab the pen and paper.
When he comes back, can you have him call me at 206-555-1212?
Can you repeat again, please?
206-555-1212.
I'll have him call you as soon as he's back.